Congress Meow Kiko Barzaga suspended ng Kamara. Anong mangyayari kung binoto ng tao ang isang political dynasty heir with some kind of probably meant with a very unserious and a happy-go-lucky media presence? You know, like me.
The committee finds Respondent Representative Kiko Barzaga of the 4th District of Cavite guilty of disorderly behavior by violating Section 141A Rule 20 of the Rules of House of Representatives, 4C of RA 6713, or the Code of Conduct and Ethical Standards for Public Officials and Employees, and by engaging conduct unbecoming of a member of the House, and recommends the imposition of the penalty of 60 days suspension from office without the benefit of salaries and allowances during the period of suspension, with a stern warning that repetition of similar misconduct will result to a more severe disciplinary action. In addition, Mr. Speaker, the committee recommends that the respondent Barzaga be directed to remove all 24 social media posts subject of this case within 24 hours from adoption of this report in the plenary.
Siguro isipin nyo, etong parang hindi siya serious, di ba? Yung mga taga-etivac siguro ang bumoto. To which, you're right.
Girl, alam ko ikaw ay taga-dasma at gusto mong mapaganda, kaya sa darating na botohan, put si Barzaga. Alam ko ikaw ay taga-dasma at gusto mong mapaganda, kaya sa darating na botohan, put si Barzaga. Buboto ako, gusto ko Barzaga. Buboto ako, gusto ko Barzaga. Sa darating na botohan, put si Barzaga. Prince of Dasma, siya si Kiko Barzaga.
Sinuspindi na si Dasmariñas Representative Kiko Barzaga dahil sa hinaharap niyang complaint over his social media posts. Yes, you heard that right. Social media posts. Now, hindi ako fan ni Barzaga, pero this is stupid. Now, this all started nung lumabas siya sa kanyang partidong